Hey guys, it's Dr. Emer, a board-certified dermatologist and a collaborator of this amazing new line, Nudeskin by Nudesticks, which is a collection of simple, multitasking skincare products that will give you confident, nude face beauty. So now I'm going to get into the science behind the simple 4-step regimen that includes cleansing, exfoliating, toning, and moisturizing. So let's get to it. It's always best to have a gentle, hydrating face cleanser. And with the gentle hydrogel face cleanser, we can get deep in the pores using a combination of hyaluronic acid, bergamot fruit oils, and mushroom extract to brighten the skin, hydrate it at the same time, and calm inflammation. It goes on really smoothly. This is made for those that have sensitive skin, and it's very important to combine hydrating complexes like hyaluronic acid that holds a lot of water and gives you a significant amount of hydration with bergamot fruit oils that decrease inflammation and mushroom extract to brighten the skin. This gentle hydrogel face cleanser hydrates the skin, decreases inflammation, and brightens it all in one. So the gentle hydrogel face cleanser can be applied very easily to the skin. It goes on super soft, and that combination of hyaluronic acid with fruit oils really helps to gently hydrate the skin, get deep in the pores, to get rid of congestion. So those that want a really hydrating, deep cleanse, you can use this cleanser, as well as those that have pigmentation, sunspots, or melasma. This will help brighten the tone of the skin instantly. So I worked really closely with Nudesticks to develop Nudeskin in a simple 4-in-1 regimen. We've already done our deep cleansing, now we need to exfoliate. Exfoliation is one of the most important things I tell my patients because you really need to get that cell turnover for cell renewal. You lift those skin cells to get baby fresh skin to the surface so that we can really get our active products into the skin and help develop new, fresh skin. So the product, Lemonade Detox Low Micro Peel, is our daily at-home microdermabrasion, our exfoliation. You put this on the skin, it's a mixture of enzymes and fruit acids that work together to lift those dead skin cells, exfoliate the skin, and brighten the skin. The amazing thing about this product, you actually see it working as it goes on. So you apply it to the skin very simply, rub it for about 60 to 90 seconds, and you'll be able to see all those dead skin cells lifting up. Exfoliation is an important key to the skin, but you don't want to abrade the skin. So we can use this really gently on the surface. You can see all the little bumps, all these little clumps that are developing. These are the dead skin cells and enzymes that are working with the surface skin to brighten the skin, to exfoliate it, and get it ready for your active daily routine. It's a core portion of our 4-in-1 step regimen. Once you've exfoliated the skin, it's extremely important to put on active products that will help you treat your conditions, whether it's anti-aging, or you want improvement in acne, or you just overall want to look brighter and have a better complexion and tone. One of the most important things you can do is put on an active toner. The citrus fruit and glycolic low toner is one of my favorite products in the line because this is where you get your active treatment. We've already cleansed, we've already exfoliated. Now we're going to tone with a mix of fruit acids and glycolic acid, hyaluronic acid. All of these acids working together to brighten the skin, to exfoliate a little bit more, to naturally tone the skin and give it enhanced collagen production. We all know that collagen production decreases wrinkles. Hyaluronic acid holds a lot of water, it gives you more deep hydration, and mixed acids like grape, lime, and lemon work together to brighten the tone of the skin, treat issues like melasma and pigmentation, and get deep down into the pores to attack inflammation and acne. So we put a little bit of this onto the skin. You can massage it in lightly. I like to do circular strokes or upward strokes on the skin, face, and neck. I like to use it on my hands, really overall just bathe in this glycolic fruit toner because it really gives an amazing treatment result after you exfoliated, and you can see an amazing glow immediately. The biggest issue with glycolic toners and citrus toners is irritation and sensitivity. So one of the things you can do is use this every couple days to get sensitized, and once you get used to this on the skin, use this at least a few mornings a week or a few nights a week or every day once your skin gets used to it to really brighten the tone. After you've cleansed, exfoliated, toned, Now we need to moisturize. And it's extremely important that your moisturizer has in it a lot of active ingredients that will actually help your skin. Here we have the Citrusy Mask and Daily Moisturizer that has a high component of antioxidants in it from the uzu and anti-inflammatory from the turmeric. We all know that vitamin C is an essential antioxidant, and the uzu that's in this daily moisturizer is highly concentrated to give us a high component of antioxidants to not only brighten the skin, but protect it from environmental stressors like UV damage from the sun. Turmeric, we know, can be used for inflammation, to decrease redness, but when applied topically, it helps calm acne, it calms rosacea, redness, it overall hydrates and brightens the skin. The Citrusy Mask can be used overnight as a complex hydrator and protectant to the skin, but it can be applied before you go out as a daily hydrator. It can also be used as a makeup primer because it goes on velvety and smooth, and it really allows for the makeup to bind softly onto the skin. It's essential that after you've done your toning, that you apply a very complex hydrator, and you want one that protects the skin and has a lot of antioxidants in it.